Hi, I'm Scott Sanders. I'm an interior designer with offices in New York and Palm Beach. Welcome to my apartment high above the East River in Manhattan. This building was built in 2016 and is truly a unique shape. It has two towers that lean but connect at a sky bridge on the 29th floor. But it's the incredible views that sold us on the apartment. Through the windows, we can see Long Island City and even flights taking off and landing at LaGuardia. In the main living space, there is a living room, dining room, kitchen, and I wanted to create an open loft-like feeling. But at the same time, I wanted each space to have its own identity. The living space has these incredible floor-to-ceiling windows. So I knew that I needed to ground this space with something special, and I found this gorgeous glass and metal coffee table from Lauren Marsh that really sets the tone for the space. I paired the coffee table with the low, long sofa, which I put in front of the window to not block the view. There was really only one empty wall in the living room that didn't have windows, so that became the space for my special vignette. The vignette includes a 60s buffet by Edward Wormley with inlay bronze panels. I added Maison Charles vintage lamps. I love mixing periods, styles, it's one I'm known for, so this vignette really stands for that. I didn't want to create a formal dining vibe, so I used a smaller table and 3 chairs. The dining room table is marble with a dark bronze top. The dark bronze really acts as an accent throughout the apartment, and the dark colors are a great contrast to all this incredible sunlight coming through. The kitchen is small and very functional and serves as a great complement to the rest of the space. For my home office, I used a lot of shades of blue, which is my favorite color, but I mixed in pops of black to connect to the rest of the apartment. I wanted the space to be inspirational for me, so I started with my favorite vintage designer, Edward Wormley, and found this incredible desk. From there, I filled the room with all special pieces that mean a lot to me. On my desk, I have an elephant that my grandmother bought in the 60s in Hong Kong, and family photos that always make me feel happy. Surrounded by all these special pieces really inspires me every time I walk through the door. I continued the color palette from the rest of the apartment into the bedroom. There is a gorgeous blue silk rug on the floor, black lacquered nightstands, and for the headboard, I used this really special screen by Irwin Hauer, made of pressed MDF, laser cut. I wanted to include my favorite designer, Edward Wormley, so I found this really rare lounge chair, and I covered it in turquoise leather. Art really personalizes a space, and no room is finished without it. A view like this can really overpower a space, but by picking the right color palette and curating the perfect furniture and art, you can complement it. And that's what I think I've done here. Thank you for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?